Uganda, and of which security is full of indigenous people of Uganda who are securing this small group of the Bahima to stay in power, ruling Ugandans, using Ugandans to stay in power. They're using Ugandans' power, Ugandans' people, Ugandan money, Ugandan food, Ugandan everything to secure them to stay in power. And indigenous people of Uganda are keeping quiet. They are blind about that. They can't see that they are now becoming slaves and more. Your children are going to be slaves for these the children of the Bahima, because for them they take themselves as princes, as kings. For us, we are just subjects. We are their subordinates. So if you don't wake up now when an alarm is ringing, when a bell is ringing, I don't think that there is any other chance of Ugandans to rise against this small group of people. We have many tribes in Uganda, but only a small tribe like this, the Bahima group, taking themselves to be the top of everything in Uganda. Every big project in the country, every big organization in the country is under that small group, is controlled by that small group of the Bahima. This is not being tribalistic, but is the pain I feel for my country. Many things have been happening in the country. We have been keeping quiet. So whenever you see someone dumb starting to talk, know that there is some pressure behind that person. No, if you have been keeping quiet, this is high time that you also come out of the doors, start speaking, because this is your land. Uganda is your land. So if you keep quiet so much, the end result is you to hang yourself, because you have nowhere to go when trouble comes. For instance, we had this man claiming the Indian Ocean and promising that there is war in the future. Which war? These people are going to chase the indigenous people from this country because they want to own it forever and ever. They want to take it as theirs forever and ever, which means they have a war against indigenous people of Uganda. That's why they even claim the Indian Ocean. They are going to be basing on the moon, according to their statistics, fighting against Ugandans. But if you keep quiet, if you don't rise now, you'll cry your bear. My brother, I want to tell you, this is a true story. There is a group of rebels which conquered Uganda in the 80s, 1980s. And up to now, they are still taking lead. They are the bosses. And indigenous Ugandans are workers, are slaves. They are doing slavery in their home country to this small group of people called Bahima. And they have a mission of making their regime a dynasty. If I talk about dynasty, a few of you may understand this. It is like kingdom, like a kingdom, making it a kingdom, that they can reign and keep on inheriting leadership until the end of their dynasty, of which you can't tell me when. You keep on holding guns, protecting them. Why don't they protect you? Why are you the ones protecting them? Guys, do you understand? Security personnel, especially the indigenous people of Uganda, what are you doing in security when you are protecting the goons, when you are protecting the rebels? Why don't these rebels one time protect you also? Why are you not also sitting in the Penconi cars? Why are you not sleeping in good houses in Muyenga, Munyonyo, Buziga, and everywhere? Why are you not having very big farms in this country? And you are just holding guns, protecting these people with their properties, instead of them protecting you with your properties, because you are indigenous Ugandans.